Hi, Maki. And today, I just got my order from Legends Global, which Diablo, Immortal. Now, I'm gonna open it. Alright. This is my first match. I got Diablo. Oh, you know it. Patch set. Immortal patches. Oh my gosh, look at it. It's gorgeous. Oh, there's 2 patches on this. Nice. It's much at the back. Vision Timid. Design is created by Vision Timid. Incorporation. Nice. Oh my god. This is a gear, baby. I'm gonna put this on my hoodie. Yes. This is the hoodie that I got. Oh my god. This is the hoodie that I got. The Butcher's Cleaver hoodie. Diablo. This is gear, baby. Oh yes. This is the still magnet. Diablo. Wow, the Druid magnet. Oh yes. Take a look. It's made in China. Diablo heavy metal stairs of aluminum magnet. This is This is the t-shirt. Oh god. T-shirt, baby. This is the World of Warcraft. Warcraft 3 t-shirt. Warcraft Rage of Chaos. Oh yes. Rage of Chaos. This is it. Warcraft Rage of Chaos t-shirt. Size S. Oh yeah. Oh my god. Warcraft Rage of Chaos t-shirt. Oh yes. It's the t-shirt. So I got a t-shirt. I got a magnet. This magnet. Iron patches. Invited patches from Diablo. Oh yes. This is gorgeous, man. Oh my god. Thanks guys. This is so cool. It's cute. That's a hoodie. Diablo. Just Cleaver hoodie. There it is. That's it. So I got 1 hoodie, 1 patch, 1 magnet, 1 t-shirt. Check it out, guys. Thank you. Very much appreciated. Okay, so thank you. My name's Maku. Appreciate it. Finally got my Blizzard gear. Diablo Immortal. I'm a Diablo Immortal player. Hey, I'm a Diablo Immortal player. My character is a Druid. Level 60 Druid. Almost level 1000. Druid. Check me out, follow me. My name's Arceo. Okay. I'm a Diablo player. Alright, see you guys. Thank you very much. Ta-ta.